Hello all, welcome to Code Hub. Today let us solve the July's LeetCode daily challenge, and the question is maximum units on a truck. You are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one truck. You are given a 2D array box types where box types of I is number of boxes and number of units per box. Number of boxes I is the number of boxes of type I, and number of units per box I is the number of units in each box of the type I. You are also given an integer truck size, which is the maximum number of boxes that can be put on the truck. Okay, fine. You can choose any boxes to put on the truck as long as the number of boxes does not exceed truck size. Okay, I can put any number of boxes to the truck as long as the number of boxes does not exceed the truck size. Okay, fine. Return the maximum total number of units that can be put on the truck. Let us take the example and see. Here the example is 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 1. This 1 represents the number of boxes and number of units per box. In one new box you can put 3 units. Okay, the number of boxes of type. Okay. There are explanation as follows. One box of the first type that contains 3 units. One box can be put for 3 units, two boxes of second type that contain 2 units, and 3 boxes of third type that contain 1 unit maximum. We have to see what is the maximum number of boxes that can be put on the truck. You can take all the boxes of the first and second types. We can take all the boxes of first and second types. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 and one box of the third type, the total number. Okay, we can take another one box from the third type, which is equals to 8. So this will be the maximum that they are saying. We can take okay, one box from the third type. So we will give a dry run on the second example. The truck size is 10. So basically, to maximize the answer, we want to take the maximum units per box. So we can sort the given box types on the basis of the maximum on the basis of boxes per unit, number of units per box. We will sort them in that order. It is 5 comma 10, then 3 comma 9, then 4 comma 7, then it is 2 comma 5. So obviously 10 into some number of box we are going to choose, such that we will add it to our answer. So we will add 10 into, there are 5 boxes. So since since the total number of truck size is 10, so since 5 is less than or equal to 10, we are going to take all the whole 5 boxes itself. 10 into 5, which is 50. We will go further. Then the truck size reduces to 10 minus 5, which is 5. Truck size is 5 now. The remaining truck size is 5 now. So let us see how many boxes we can take with the number of per unit box. We can take 3 boxes itself. So 9 into 3. Here then the truck size reduces to 2. Now we will try to take this number of per unit box as 7. We can take the two boxes alone. Since 4 is greater than 2, we will just take the remaining box 2 into 7, and we will see the total. Now the remaining truck size becomes 0. So we can end our process and we can come out. We can now see the total 50 plus the total number of boxes is 50 plus 9 3s are 27 plus 7 2s are 14. So what is our total? We get 50, 70, 77, 87, 87, 91. So this is our answer. So basically what we are doing is we are going to sort the array steps. Step 1, we are going to sort the array based on number of per unit box, number of per unit boxes. And step 2, after sorting, what we are going to do is we are going to traverse till truck size becomes 0. Truck size becomes 0 and calculate it. Calculate the total number of boxes. That's what we are going to do. Let us comment this and we can go and code the approach. What we are doing is sort the array. Sort box types dot begin comma box types dot end. We should use a custom comparator to sort in based on the second value. Static bool custom comparator. It is a vector int ampersand a and vector int ampersand b. Then it is going to return if a of 1 is greater than or equals to b of 1. So that's what we are going to do here. Then we can just we can have an answer, we can have max units as 0 and we will just return the max units here. Now we will traverse the array for auto boxes in my box types. Else what we can say is while my truck size is greater than 0, I can go inside. I have a sorted order. If my truck size is, what we are doing is, if my truck size is greater than or equal to my box types of I, or else we can traverse the loop itself so that it will be more easier in terms of naming. Auto boxes of I and box types. In my box types, if my truck size is 0, then I will come out of this loop. I will break this loop and come. Else if my truck size is going to be greater than or equal to my boxes of 0, then what I can do is truck size minus equal to boxes of 0 and I can add it to my answer. What I can add is max units plus equals to boxes of 0 star boxes of 1. Else what I am saying is my truck size is not having enough capacity, it is lesser, so that I can do is max units plus equals to boxes of 1 star my truck size itself, and my truck size becomes 0. That's it. We can just run the code. Oh sorry, it is capital T. We can just run the code again. It gets accepted. We will use the example test cases as well. Here the time complexity will be order of n log n, since we are sorting the array. Here the time complexity will be order of n log n and space complexity will be order of 1, since I am not going to use any extra space. Now we will try to submit the code. Superb, it got accepted, and consistency is the key to success. And let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye.